Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Helen Flores. I am 44 years old. I am happy married. I am from Bulacan, Philippines. I have 3 children, eldest 17 years old, 15, 12 years old. I work as a housemaid in Doha, Qatar in 2 years in 1 month. From August 2014 to September 2016, I served one couple and 5 years old in newborn. Also, I work as a housemaid in Saudi Riyadh in 2 years and 2 months. From October 2018 to December 2020, I served one couple and 2 kids, 8 years old and 6 years old. I want to work in Hong Kong because a good salary, friendly people, and most especially to support my family. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I can provide care for babies, toddlers, elderly, and pets. And I can manage the general housekeeping chores and running else. I promise to work with you my special skills like reliable and trustworthy, to do first aid, to show my communication skills, and to be respectful and well manners. I willing to take good care of newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. That's it for today. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.